What is active management? Active management is an investment strategy where a fund manager actively buys and sells investments to try to beat the market. In simple words, active management means experts continuously make investment decisions to earn higher returns than a market index. In active management, professional portfolio managers analyze markets, companies, economic trends, and financial data before making investment choices. Their goal is to outperform benchmark indexes, such as stock market indexes. Unlike passive investing, active management involves frequent trading and constant monitoring of investments. Managers may change investments based on market conditions, company performance, or economic news. For example, an active fund manager may buy stocks expected to grow quickly and sell stocks expected to decline. Active management uses research tools such as fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis studies company financial statements and business performance. Technical analysis studies price patterns and market trends. Active management can provide higher returns if investment decisions are correct. However, it also involves higher risk and higher management fees. Frequent trading can increase transaction costs. Because of these costs, active funds do not always outperform the market. Some investors prefer active management for professional expertise and flexibility. Others prefer passive management because of lower costs and stable long-term performance. In simple terms, active management means actively choosing investments to try to beat the market. Easy way to remember, active management means active decisions to achieve higher returns.